Hey guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode of Idiots in Cars, the average driver thinks that having some basic driving skills is very overrated, to say the least. So with that being said, let's dive into this now. I didn't know waiting at a red light could be this entertaining. What an absolute legend. Outstanding performance. 10 out of 10. Let's see what is going on here. Power! Bro's got 3 stars on his tail. He did him dirty there, but I doubt he will get away, especially with that borrowed trailer that he has. Oh, we all know where this one is going. Rear view mirrors were invented in 1921. People in 1920. Very impressive.
Bruh.
I mean, you only had one job and somehow you messed it all up. And a wild Kia Soul appears. That was just a friendly reminder that you gotta watch out for those. And here comes a BMW Z4 with a body kit on it, and whack! He decided to play a game of spin whack, and we all saw how that ended. But anyways, on to the next one we go. Why are you blocking the road, bro? Wait a minute, is that a guy from earlier who got 3 stars? Why are you doing this? Oh, there's my answer. Looks like the gloves are off. And our guy who is filming has the first row VIP seats. Let's see how this will end up. Oh, that's not looking good for the Ford, but I think it's not out yet. And they finally calm down. Whoa, bro, please stop. You're putting the whole drift scene to shame. I bet in his head this is flawless. He's got a front wheel drive, he has the skill, he has the 90 horsepower, what else do you need? But anyways, let's see what is going on here. Wait, why is that guy backing up? Oh, it looks like someone is driving a Ferrari, 2 Ferraris to be exact, in the wrong direction. That's a no-no. That is unacceptable. Supercar drivers these days, unbelievable. No, 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 no. Oof. That guy having a license is more concerning than a crash itself. I mean, of course, everybody can make a mistake, but that was too much. Oh, it looks like someone can tell the difference between the red and green. Stop, 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 bro. No need to cause any more damage. Oh, now this is what I call a drift king. Look at that. Beautiful. Show off. That was epic. Just boys being boys. Oops, it's like they crashed in slow motion. But yeah, it's biker's fault, 100%. Oh, would you look at his beauty. A true masterpiece. And a BMW's final boss itself. With a very refined taste for aesthetics. Now seriously, BMW should really consider not selling their cars to everybody. They really need to think about that. That is an unmistakable sign of an approaching dingleberry, and booyah! Hold it, bro, hold it. No, 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 no. Oof. Dearie me.
Christ.
That's why you gotta be careful out there, because you never know when some idiot is gonna get sudden burst of intelligence. Oh, bro, you're not driving an 18-wheeler. Chill out. Oh, stupidity is off the charts here. I guess slowing down a bit and then turning right was not an option. Let's see here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! A very unconventional way of parking your car. And he's got a postal box position. That's a new one. And like every other good neighbor, he's gonna stop and fix what he did. No, not really. He ran away. Alright, let's see here. I wonder if you know how they... Whoa, and come on, 360! Almost, but we'll give him a pass. And that guy in a silver car just booked this guy in a pickup truck a 1-to-1 appointment with a guardrail. And now I guess he's gonna do an honorable thing and run. And look at his art in motion. If there was no video evidence of this, it would be so hard to explain. But I guess if it looks stupid and it works, it ain't stupid. Simple as that. I think this would be an optimal time to hit the brakes, bro. Stop, 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 stop. That was so close. He was carrying way too much speed, but he was lucky. Hold it, bro, hold it, bro. Hold it. And yes. He sneezed. That's why he lost control. And I absolutely have no idea what was that all about. I guess going in a straight line was too boring for him. Ooh. Good thing the dashcam guy reacted perfectly and did everything he could to avoid this. Unbelievable. I will never understand people who are just passengers in their cars. I mean, it doesn't really matter if you're right or wrong. You can always at least try to avoid the situation, if you know what I mean. Bro just need an alignment and it will be good as new. I wonder how that happened. On to the next one. Uh-oh, that's not a good idea. I don't know if there is a crosswalk, but it's still not a good idea. But at least he managed to stop, so that's good. And I'm still not sure if there was a crosswalk there. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the myth, the legend. Let's take a moment to appreciate that guy who is driving that in those conditions. Ka-chow! It was a little bit dramatic, but he stopped. Whoa, and that guy must be like improvise, adapt, overcome. Oh good, the Amazon truck is here just in time to deliver your headlight. Oh, yep, just like I said, just in time.
You're gonna need more than that.
Oh yeah, just go ahead and ignore the red light, because red, green, what's the difference really?
The waitress came by with his
Oh
plate,
no, how
pancakes,
surprising was that
eggs, and
outcome?
bacon.
I only
It
feel
was
bad for
served
the
on
other
the
guy,
table.
of course. Let's see here. Why is bro sailing to the right like that? Oh. I'm sure they are very impressed by that outstanding move. Whoa.
Wow.
The simple concept of a stop sign is unknown to this guy, apparently. Why are you running? Why are you running? For the sake of this video, we're gonna call that Wheel Jimmy. And Jimmy was like, I saw you bought another set of wheels, so I'm leaving you right now. Oh, he's coming back. Whoop, and now you see me, now you don't. That is a bush position, I believe. On to the next one. Oh, and a wild Jetta appears out of nowhere. Whoa, choo-choo! Bro came in like a steam train. Back to Winter Wonderland once again.
Hey!
Oh, yeah. Turn on your indicator and just go. That gives you the right of way. And now guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I hope you enjoyed today, and if you would love to see more of this, please smack that like button, subscribe and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you very soon. Take care guys. Ciao.